Are you trying to sell real estate that is currently owned by an LLC? Don't worry. It isn't really as hard as it seems. Hey there, I'm Caitlin with Legacy Title Agency, and today we're learning about selling property in an LLC. Whether you're an investor or a business owner, we'll break it down step by step so you know exactly what to expect. So first and foremost, what are you going to need? So as we are getting ready for our closing, we're going to need a couple of items. The first thing is an operating agreement. So under state of Michigan law, this is the thing that other parties can rely on to tell us who gets to control this entity. So who is going to sign? Is it members? Is it managers, right? That operating agreement is the legal document that we are allowed to rely upon to provide that information to us. Now, here in the state of Michigan, if you are what's considered a sole member LLC, meaning there's only one member, there are circumstances where we might be able to rely on a sole member affidavit instead of the operating agreement. And don't forget, we are assuming that at this point in time, we do have an LLC that's in good standing, and we're going to be able to look on LARA if it's registered in the state of Michigan, and we'll be able to find those articles of organization and see that it's in good standing. So what's the next item I'm going to need? A social security number or tax ID number. Depending on your entity, you may use your personal social security number, or you may have a separate tax ID number for this specific LLC. So you want to make sure that you know which one it is before we get to the closing table. And the last item that you really need to make sure that you have is a bank account in the name of the LLC, because at closing, we're hopefully going to give you a check for your seller proceeds, or we'll send you a wire, but either way, it's got to go directly to the LLC who owns the property. So it can't go to Caitlin Lazinski, it has to go to the Caitlin Lazinski Construction LLC. So you want to make sure that you have a bank account set up already in the name of your LLC. So that was easy. Now we know what needs to happen before our closing. But let's not forget about our closing day. What do we need to bring on our closing day? Well, of course, we got to bring that social security number or tax ID number for our tax forms at the closing table. And if we want a wire, we're going to want to make sure that we bring the bank account information for that LLC bank account. So 2 easy things. Now, if you're selling your property owned by an LLC or representing someone who is, we've got your back. Our experienced team knows exactly how to navigate the paperwork and title requirements so you can focus on what matters most. Visit us at legacyclosings.com or give us a call. We'd love to help you close confidently the Legacy way.